Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Leather Repair Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who appreciates the finer things in life, like a beautifully upholstered sofa or a classic car interior. But let's face it, life happens, and sometimes your favorite leather or vinyl items suffer from wear and tear. Today, we're diving deep into a kit that promises to restore your belongings to their former glory. Number 5. FORTIVO Leather Recoloring Balm, Color Restorer. This premium leather color restorer breathes new life into your cherished leather goods. It restores scratched or faded leather back to its former glory, ensuring a vibrant and stain-free finish. This reliable leather scratch remover eliminates wear and tear on your leather and vinyl items. It rejuvenates your leather's natural hues and protects it from future damage, maintaining the material's natural oils. This potent leather stain restorer helps you get rid of unsightly stains and faded hues. It is ideal for maintaining the pristine condition and supple texture of your leather furniture, providing a consistently brilliant finish. Specially formulated to treat scratches, recolor, and protect, this leather paint delivers remarkable results on your leather couch and other furniture items. It provides a robust UV shield, enhancing durability and preserving its natural luster. Transform your leather couches with this top-tier leather color restorer. Easy to apply with professional-grade results, it protects your items against sun damage. What we like. This product is designed to restore and protect your leather furniture. It revitalizes the color and shields against sun damage. If you have faded leather or want to prevent future damage, it's the perfect choice for you. What people say. I use this once or twice a year to refresh the leather and it makes it look nearly new. The stuff dries quickly, you can sit on the couch in about 45 minutes, and once dry it doesn't rub off on your clothes, etc. It worked wonders, the color was a perfect match and my couches are looking like almost new. Number 4. Leather Recoloring Balm for Couches. This premium leather balm breathes new life into your cherished leather goods. It's designed to restore scratched or faded leather, bringing it back to its original glory. More than just a recoloring balm, it ensures a vibrant and stain-free finish. Our leather scratch remover eliminates wear and tear on your leather and vinyl items. It rejuvenates the natural hues and protects from future damage. This advanced formula helps maintain the material's natural oils, preventing cracking, fading, and peeling. Get rid of unsightly stains and faded hues with our potent leather color restorer. It's ideal for maintaining the pristine condition and supple texture of your leather furniture. This product provides a consistently brilliant finish. Specially formulated to treat scratches, recolor, and protect, this leather paint for couches delivers remarkable results. It provides a robust UV shield, enhancing durability and preserving your leather items' natural luster. It's the perfect solution for your furniture. Transform your leather couches with our top-tier leather color restorer. Easy to apply with professional-grade results, this balm safeguards your items against sun damage. It's designed to give you the best results possible. What we like. This product focuses on eliminating wear and tear. It protects your leather from future damage while maintaining its natural oils. If you are looking for a product that will keep your leather looking new and prevent cracking, you should consider this. What people say. I use this once or twice a year to refresh the leather and it makes it look nearly new. The balm was simple to apply and didn't take much time at all. I tested it right after by rubbing a wet towel on the surface, no color came off. Number 3. Black Leather Repair Kit for Furniture. Bring life back to your leather with this kit. It's ideal for various leather goods, helping maintain their functionality and appearance. The simple application process ensures quick and effective repairs. Repair scratches or cracks on any leather surface with this kit. Whether it's a cherished couch or a frequently used car seat, it offers a dependable way to maintain and repair leather. Use this kit, featuring a fast-drying gel, to quickly mend cuts, tears, and scratches. Ideal for both car interiors and couches, it ensures professional results with ease. Keep your furniture looking new with this kit. Whether it's your favorite couch or car seat, this scratch repair is your go-to solution for quick and reliable leather maintenance. This kit offers a complete solution for all your leather repair needs. From furniture to car interiors, it provides everything you need for durable repairs and a flawless finish. What we like. This product is designed for quick and easy repairs. It's an all-inclusive kit that delivers professional results. If you like a simple, effective solution for your leather repair needs, this is the one for you. What people say. It's much easier to use on black objects because the color match is so much easier than other colors. For peeling scratched or ripped vinyl top layers, this was really easy to use. Simply clean with rubbing alcohol, let dry and get the kit out. The included small plastic spatula was easy to use to spread out the repair material per the included instructions. It didn't fill the repair area fully the first time, but the second time looked really good. Number 2. Brown Vinyl Repair Kit. Is your furniture looking worn? This kit is designed to bring it back to life. With an easy application process, you can tackle any repair job quickly. This kit offers a simple DIY solution for scratches and cracks. Get the finish you desire with this easy-to-use kit. Bring your leather items back to life with this kit. It features a fast-drying gel used for scratches and tears. Restore your items with ease. Keep your leather looking brand new with this kit. It can fix various types of damage. Whether it's your favorite couch or seat, it offers quality results. Use the repair gel to mend car interiors, sofas, shoes, and purses. The kit comes complete with application tools and easy-to-follow instructions. What we like. This product offers an easy DIY solution for repairing scratches and cracks. It features a fast-drying gel and is suitable for multiple applications. If you have worn furniture and car seats that need a quick fix, you should consider this. What people say. It comes with many variations of brown and pretty much all the tools you need. It makes it look like there were almost no tears in the leather. The directions were easy to understand and it was easy to apply. Number 1. FORTIVO Leather Recoloring Balm and Repair Kit. This leather recoloring balm and repair kit is designed for quick and easy use. It contains everything you need to restore your leather surfaces to their original beauty. The included mink oil helps to lubricate the fibers, extending their lifespan. With this product, your sofa and other leather items will last longer and look more presentable. It helps prevent patching, scratching, and fading. It's a must-have for any household with leather furniture. Don't let your leather items lose their color and vibrancy. This leather cream and restore gives both faux and authentic leather a renewed, finished look. The balm is easy to apply. Get rid of stains, wear, peeling, and other impurities on your leather items. This product is formulated for fast-acting and durable restoration. It's perfect for your leather furniture and other expensive leather items. Choose a leather furniture repair kit that's best suited for your faux and authentic leather items. This product can also be used as a leather dye kit and sofa repair kit. It understands your restoration needs and provides lasting results. What we like. This product contains mink oil for added protection. It's easy to use and provides long-lasting results. If you like to keep your leather items looking their best for years to come, you should consider this. What people say. The product matched the leather and looked like new when finished. Iron still looks like I finished it today. It is very easy to use and I done this quickly. It immediately looked better, but best result after waiting between coats and then applying mink oil. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.